If you are someone looking to learn about SAP, then you would have definitely come across the word S4HANA. In this video, we are going to discuss what is S4HANA in simplistic terms. If you are new here, my name is Arun and I make videos about SAP topics. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up to date. Okay, what is S4HANA? S4HANA stands for Suite for HANA, which basically means it is a business suite that runs on SAP's HANA database. It is SAP's latest core ERP software. And before getting into the details, what is an ERP software? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, which is a crucial software application that is used by small, medium, and big organizations globally to perform their day-to-day business operations, such as running their payroll, running their finance, logistics, procurement, supply chain management, sales and distribution, and much more. In simple terms, an ERP software helps an organization to run its business on a daily basis. SAP has been making ERP software since the 1970s and they have been pretty good at it. In 1979, they released an ERP software called R2, which was based on mainframe. Then in 1992, they released R3, which was based on a client-server architecture. And in 2004, SAP released ECC, which stands for ERP Central Component. And ECC has been very popular and very robust and used by thousands of organizations globally. It is supported by SAP until 2027, and the customers have an option to purchase extended maintenance for ECC, which is supported until 2030. But after that, they have no choice but to transition to S4HANA, which was released in 2015, and it is SAP's latest core ERP software. S4HANA offers various types of functionalities, or you can call them as modules or capabilities, which include sales and marketing, finance, manufacturing, supply chain management, professional services, asset management, research and development, sourcing and procurement, and human resources. Now let's take a look at the key advantages of S4HANA. While ECC can run on various databases such as SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, Sybase, MaxDB, and HANA, S4HANA can run only on SAP's HANA database. HANA is an in-memory database offered by SAP that stores data in memory and also in column-oriented databases for easy calculations and retrieval of data. S4HANA as an application is optimized in a way to take advantage of the in-memory capabilities offered by the HANA database. S4HANA can be deployed on-premises, private cloud on RISE with SAP, or as a public cloud version. In simple terms, on-premises means customers can host the software on their own server or in a data center of their choice. Private cloud is an option that is offered by SAP, which is called RISE with SAP. I have made a detailed video about RISE with SAP in my channel, and link is in the description if you're interested. Then SAP also offers a software as a service version of S4HANA, which is called the S4HANA public cloud version. Some of the functionalities that were available in SAP ECC were removed in S4HANA since there is a cloud product available as an alternative for those functionalities. For example, supplier relationship management or customer relationship management functionalities are not available in S4HANA since they are available as cloud products like Ariba and SAP Hybris. As a result, redundant functionalities and database tables have been removed from S4HANA, making it as a lean ERP software when compared to its predecessor ECC. SAP claims that customers can experience a 50% reduction in data footprint by taking advantage of HANA's data compression technique. SAP also claims that reports run 100 times faster in S4HANA, and customers experience improved insights, better forecasting, and experience with the help of S4HANA. S4HANA has a much improved user interface when compared to its predecessors. It follows SAP's common user experience theme called Fiori. Fiori enables the users to access S4HANA via browser, and it is very intuitive to use. I have made a detailed video about the differences between ECC and S4HANA in my channel. The link is in the description if you're interested. Now let's talk about how you can learn more about S4HANA. SAP Learning Hub is the best place to start learning about S4HANA or any other SAP product. It offers a variety of free and paid courses. You can choose your courses based on a specific product, role, or by industry. Let's say that I'm interested to learn about S4HANA. I select by product, then I select S4HANA Cloud Private Edition. Then you can choose the module that you're interested in. For example, I choose Finance, and then it lists the various submodules within Finance that are available to choose. I choose Financial Accounting, and then it gives me the learning journeys that are associated with financial accounting. I can then select the learning journey and go through it and complete it. At the end of the journey, you can take a quiz to test your knowledge, and you'll be provided a record of achievement. Then you can use SAP's training and certification website to get certified in the module that you like. I have also made videos about SAP Learning Hub and Certification Shop in my channel. Please check them out if you are interested to learn more about it. I hope this video gives you a basic understanding of what S/4HANA is, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues who might also benefit from it. Thank you and see you next time.